prosecution rests in their case against Casey Anthony after 19 days of testimony. Over the last 4 weeks, we've watched the state build its case against the Orlando mom accused of killing her daughter Kaylee back in 2008. The defense says Kaylee accidentally drowned and that Casey's father forced a cover-up. George Anthony denies that. Our Carson Chambers has been covering this trial from the start. She is live in Orlando this noon. And Carson, as the state wrapped, what was Casey like in court?
Oh, she's got that poker face on. Casey Anthony doesn't give away a whole lot with those facial expressions, especially today in court, even when her defense attorneys asked for a direct acquittal.
State may call their next witness.
Your Honor, at this point, the state of Florida would rest.
No sooner than Casey Anthony sat down in courtroom number 23, the state finished calling witnesses. Minutes later, the judge dismissed the jury, and the defense took their best shot at a direct acquittal from the court.
Now, in this case, there is not any evidence of anything other than a caring and loving mother-child relationship.
Defense attorney Cheney Mason argues the circumstantial evidence has not proven beyond a reasonable doubt that Casey killed Kaylee or even put her in harm's way. He says the state has stacked suspicion, but not hard facts.
In our case, there's no other way than circumstantial evidence. Circumstantial evidence, by the way, of what?
Mason honed in on one major hang-up with the state's case. Experts have testified there's no way to tell how Kaylee died, but the state says the murder weapon was plastered across the child's face.
Kaylee Marie Anthony's death was caused by the application of multiple pieces of duct tape.
And Judge Perry says the state has presented not only substantial but competent evidence in their case. He says he's going to leave it up to a jury to decide Casey Anthony's fate. Live in Orlando, I'm Carson Chambers, ABC Action News.